now igama funeka lishintshile phela because of you were what journal.
We were Journal Funk.
Now you moved to Inganekwane.
Yeah, and then we moved to Inganekwane, which happened angisakhumbula unyaka, but we were on our way to session in Nandi Diatlhago.
Yes.
Because I still remember igama ngasal introduce khona lapho on that session there. When we heard a new song, Besiyenzile, it was a dope song, and every poet wanted to be a part of it. It was a beautiful song. So endleleni khona lapho, that's when we were like, how about Inganekwane, man?
But why Inganekwane? Phela Inganekwane into engekho mfethu.
Ish. Into engekho mara into ekhona, mara into engekho but ikhona.
Intsomi. Yabo, that is why trend recently kusho hey Inganekwane.
Yeah. And the first time ngizwa lento le, I thought bakhuluma ngeNganekwane le, because I was like, kwenzakalani?
Yeah, man.
I need to find out something else.
Then kwaba nejangalala ke. What was the goal of having ijangalala?
The goal of having ijangalala was ukuthi, because of Tina we were performing, besithola ama-gig is-performer, so we were like, what about abantu ukuthi sisebenza nabo and they are not doing what we are doing, Tina badlala live music. So how about we do something that will help us work with them
to interact and build a relationship, to connect
namanye ama-studios and stuff like that. Yayenzeka vele, yayenzeka. I still remember ijangalala was one of the powerful things we had that time, because we were young guys.
Sunday kunetha kushisa kubanda kumisty kune volcano kune hurricane kune tsunami, we were there. It was happening.
The best part about it engikhumbulayo and vividly and so beautifully, it's the part that ijangalala was run by really young guys, but they were praying guys. Because sihlangana sibe baningi, like,
and ibingekho le ndaba yama red tapes, then ibingekho le ndaba of being scared of safety too, because it's not like futhi bekuvalelwe and all that,
like mara besi free. So I love the spiritual part of ijangalala, how it came about and how we used izandla zethu to like build it from the scratch.
Stage mfethu.
It was a lot of work in fact, but amajita sahlangana sayenza because we had a common goal song ukuthi sifuna ukubona this vision ikhona egas, and it happened. It happened, but
what happened?
Everything
happened. What happened? Because now Bengino Fire the other day, right?
Yes.
Ufaya mentioned that one of the challenges you had there was neighbors complaining about the noise.
Yes, that's true.
Was it a reason that you had to stop indaba yejangalala then?
Not as much, because of, truly speaking, besinganandaba.
Okay.
Besinganandaba. We were just young boys, man. Besinganandaba ukuthi umakhelwane uthini wenzani, but we are doing this. And the nicest part,
bekuza nabanye abantu bamanye amakasi. It was a goal of putting Iswaneville kwi-map.
Yeah, and it was already there, because bephuma boma-Vlakfontein, kuphi
Soweto, 23, everywhere.
So besiqala iba ne-support, and that's when la iba ne-support khona. It was when it was going to its downfall.
And no one wanted to fight for it.
We tried.
Okay.
We tried, but for the fact ukuthi we don't own a space access it. We scan. So if abantu bathi no, we don't want that. If baya wina vele baba ne voice eningi udlule yethu, then vele we have to move along. But we moved from there. Saya kwesinye space futhi and opened 7 July. Where it was the same idea, stage, just ama-artists and you just express what they feel and how they do this, but specific craft yabo. We did that now, the same thing, but now same challenges futhi yabona. So it was not changing.
Do you see it being back?
I see it every day. I believe in this thing so much. I see it every day, but obviously it needs a team. And a
dedicated people
to do that. Not just ngekuyenza uyi-one.
Cannot.
Ngekuyenza uyi-one. So that was the problem. But
even if you are an artist, like a singer, you cannot. Ongayenza uwedwa. We always need people. We always need people in everything that we do with craft yet. So now, Ufaya ngimbuzile the other day. Where is Nganekwane? And I'm asking you now.
No, Nganekwane is there. Nganekwane is alive and kicking. But there is a certain ngibiza ngani lento le angazi a certain thing behind yona.
Okay.
Yabona. We are growing up first and foremost. Yabona, and the growing up means now my responsibilities now add, you know.
Yeah.
So now you have to pay hustle, something that will give you imali fixed was
for the livelihood and all that lifestyle.
So nento ezinjalo and ama challenges ukuthi now we have to work hard on our own. Yabo. So my idea was it's better masiti hey we are doing this thing again whatsoever. Siyenze ukuthi we are all ama powerhouse. You understand? Wonke umuntu una this solo project ayenzayo imthathe yambeka somewhere yena alone.
Isn't that scary though?
What's scary?
Isn't gonna be a bit of what you call this clashes of interest? Because now I see Black Molly, he's doing his thing, right? Which is, I love it. I enjoy Waters. Guys, go to Spotify, go check Black Molly, BLK. Molly is MOLLEY. There's a song, Ella Payana, Etsy Waters.
It's a beautiful one.
It's a beautiful song. And sizongena kwezakho.
Yes.
Because now ningama solo and still you still want Inganekwane to work. I'm gonna say this. I'm an old soul.
Yeah.
And jazz, as we all know, it was one of the first genres in the world. Because actually mangiti Africa, because music usuke Africa.
Yeah, driver here.
You know,
Africa,
jazz was and still the greatest thing. Nanku this guy, Biza, the one and only.
Ndutuzo Makhathini.
No. Nathi kunathi andisasi sizathu kumama lo ondizala uDyanki.
Oh, okay.
Jesus, ngathi ngakhangela igama lika Dyanki.
I'm still trying to think ingondi
Dyanki, you know.
Mfethu.
It's a soulful thing.
Yeah.
And you are young as you are, guys. Why did you choose jazz from the beginning? I mean, Australia would see youngsters, they want to be relevant with what's happening now.
Yeah, that's true.
Why jazz? Why Afro?
Truly speaking, jazz is totally when we wanted to expand and sound a bit international, but our soul music besikuyenza ngamampela we African music. We would fuse this indigenous. Yes, thank you. That's the way.
Indigenous.
Yes.
Oh my God.
And it was beautiful. Yeah, it was beautiful because the music levels connect related like really nabantu ngamampela, you know.
Because it's so spiritual.
You should have seen Gunaledi Alkhago. What we did every Sunday, it was so beautiful because but stimulate abantu man ukuthi hey say something on this,
I know
poets would
speak. But I believe that you're still gonna do what we know you best of.
Yeah.
So